We need better training when it comes to the needs of our creatively gifted and talented pre-K students. There has to be a way that we can identify and help those with creative gifts and talents now instead of waiting until they go off to elementary school to begin having their needs met. Throughout his career, E. Paul Torrance hosted several creativity workshops for disadvantaged children that showed the lasting impact that creative outlets and opportunities can have on children. Using the observable creative positives Torrance developed is an ideal way to help us teachers identify the creative gifts and talents in our young learners. Torrance encourages the training of teachers to be able to use these positives to identify giftedness in a non-traditional way, and allowing the observance of these creative positives to drive our instruction in order to create more opportunities in the classroom for students to use creative thinking and expression. Torrance said, quote, "In classrooms where multiple talents are cultivated, all students will learn more."